we'll go with the fourth type of problem in variational, that is extremal problems, which is given by delta of integral 0 to 1 x plus y dash the whole square dx is equals to 0 under the condition y of 0 is equals to 1 and y of 1 is equals to 2. When such case is given, delta of integral, okay, x plus y dash the square dx equals to 0, when they give, means it is a di, this is taken as I, okay, di is equals to 0. So which is a problem on extremum. So not to worry, just to confuse they will be giving to you all. So take this quantity as something I. Okay, from that I you take this as what? F of. So f of x, y dash is what? X plus y dash square. Now consider your Euler's equation. So where all f is there, substitute this quantity. Now when we are taking this substitution, now we need to differentiate this quantity with respect to y. So separately we are going to differentiate. So differentiation of x with respect to y is 0. Differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. And derivative of y dash the square with respect to y is 0. So here remains only 1. Here I have to differentiate this quantity with respect to y dash. So derivative of x is 0. Derivative of y with respect to y dash is 0. And derivative of y dash square with respect to y dash is 2y dash. So I am remained with 1 minus d by dx of 2y dash is equals to 0. This 2 will come outside, so you remain with a d by dy dash dy dash by dx. Okay, dy dash by dx is always denoted as y double dash. So this becomes 2y double dash is equals to 0. So 2y double dash is equals to 1. So y double dash is equals to 1 by 2. The previous problem had y double dash and y. So that time we cannot do what shifting the terms. We have to reduce it into a differential equation of the form homogeneous and non-homogeneous. But here there is no y term. So you can shift this one this side. Y double dash means it is d square y by dx square. So I want to remove this d square by dx square. Means I have to integrate it twice. So I will integrate once first. Integration of d square y by dx square is equals to integration of 1 by 2 dx. Now we know that d square y by dx square means what it is? D by dx of dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2. I have taken outside the integral sign. Here remains 1. So integration of 1 with respect to x. So one differentiation and integration will get cancelled. I am remained with dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2. Integration of 1 with respect to x is what? X plus k1. Now I want to remove still d by dx. So again integrating both sides with respect to x. So integration of dy by dx equals to integration of 1 by 2 into x plus k1. Plus sign is there, so separately I have to integrate. Here remains only y. So integration of x by 2 with respect to x plus integration of k1 with respect to x. 1 by 2 is acting as a constant, so remove it outside. Remains the function to be integrated is x. k1 you remove outside, so integration of 1 with respect to x. 1 by 2 as it is, integration of x is x square by 2 plus k1 as it is, integration of 1 with respect to x is k1x plus k2. So simplifying you will get y is equals to x square upon 4 plus k1x plus k2, equation number 1. Why I am writing it as equation 1? This is the final answer. But in the question they have given some extra thing here. What is that some extra thing? They have given 2 conditions. These conditions are going to help us to find for this k1 and k2 value. So to start to find k1 and k2 value, we have been given y of 0 is equals to 1. Means x is 0, y is 1. And y of 1 is equals to 2 means x is 1 and y is 2. Both the conditions I am going to substitute in equation 1. So when I substitute, I will get a k2 value and I will get a k1 value. So substituting we will get here k1, k2. When I substitute in equation 1, I will get my final answer for the given functional. Okay, thank you.